Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to clean your kid's room easily from top to bottom, just like that. So you want to make sure that you start dusting your high surface areas, such as like its windows, even their headboards. If it's wooden, fabric is a whole nother game. There was items back there that I couldn't dust the window sill and ledge, so I just let that be and just dusted around the side table there. Got to dust the vent and even around the frames, door frames, baseboards, the whole nine. Once everything's done, we can move forward, but doing it from top to bottom is a game changer, especially if your kids have allergies. So for you parents with all of these toys on these beds, we're going to take care of that. I'm going to show you easy method to quickly get the bed just kind of nicely put together. Now with this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to do it with changing fresh sheets and placing fresh sheets on the bed. So I always start from one side to the bottom, and it just is more efficient that way, and it helps you to see where you are in alignment with making sure that the sheets are in place, because kids move a lot and the sheets go everywhere. So we're just stripping the bed is the first thing we're going to do with this one. We're going to strip the bed and just keep all the fresh linens on the bed and getting rid of all the dirty pillowcases, sheets, and stuff like that, and place them on the floor. All your fresh stuff that touches your face, your body, your skin, it doesn't matter if you're a kid or an adult, we want to make sure we leave that on the bed and position it properly so that all those germs and dirt and stuff like that doesn't get back on the bed. And that's the reason why we do that. And so we're just going to put the fitted sheet on there. And it's funny because with all the toys and stuff on there, you still have to work with that, and you just do your best. And what I would recommend is either you get like a toy storage box so your kids can learn to clean up after themselves, or get a laundry hamper in there so you have a place where they know where to put their dirty clothes at. So you're kind of like teaching your kids how to clean up after themselves, just like that. And so if you want to learn how to get your kids to clean more, you want to check out this next video that I have in the description and on the top of this video. So it's just really getting the bed properly put together, starting from one end to the next, and making sure that none of the contents on the bed touches the floor for germs, dirt, sensitivities, all those reasons. Keep those in mind. So I'm just working the bed and making it look really cute for the little kiddos to get in their bed and get excited about it. So now we're going to make sure we start working on this floor, vacuuming it, just prepping it, literally, especially in the small bedroom. You want to make sure you get all the nooks and crannies, and I'm going to use Zep pH neutral cleaner to clean the floor. And then I have a microfiber cloth that's color coded, and the red is for the floor. And literally, that is how you clean your kids' room easily and in no time. So I hope that you got a lot of value of this video. And in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.